Today on Beavertown Outdoors, we're replacing this. So a while back, you saw me put this together. This was kind of my shot at a logging belt. Used a old truckman's belt from the fire department that I had, back when I used to be a truckman, and tried to repurpose it, and it's worked okay. Has a couple drawbacks. Part of the issue with this was, that all the weight was, when you start carrying a lot of stuff on here, again, I'm happy I've lost a few poundskis, but you put the log ox on here, you got a pack full of wedges, and then an axe, it starts dragging down, and even if unless you reef it down really tight, it's going to slide down. If you reef it down real tight, that gets uncomfortable. So I guess what's missing is kind of some support on the shoulders, kind of help hold the weight. So I got something, and from our friends at Amazon, courtesy of the United States Postal Service, has dropped off today. So we're gonna unbox it and get it put together. So what I ordered was the Weaver Arborist belt, logging belt kit, and they sell them on Amazon for $250. Now it's not the leather belt one, although it has some cool features, but figured if this works out good and I want to switch to the leather suspenders and the leather stuff, then I can do that at a later date. But yeah, so anyway, came in a nice Amazon box, and we're gonna open it up, see what's inside. Time to sharpen a knife. All right, so let's see what's in here. Some wrapping paper. Oh, this came pretty much already set up. All right. So, out the bag. Here we go. So we got wedge pouch, first aid bag, and the coolest part, the axe scabbard. Now I know this. I think this is the same one that that old Buckin uses. I think he helped design it, so that's pretty cool. And I thought I'd have to set this all up, but it's pretty much set up. So we're gonna I guess we'll just try it on and see what happens. So this is what comes in the kit, and yeah, it's pretty heavy duty looking. Space for lots of wedges. Nice looking. And we got the suspenders. Again, made by Weaver leather. Get the tag off there. We ain't gonna need that no more. And then nice heavy duty buckle. Now we'll just have to figure out how to adjust this. Get snug. I'm going to loosen this up a good amount. A little bit tangled. There we go. All right. So let's throw it over. Okay. Definitely high. So this loosened up here. The trick with this is you just want it tight enough that it's going to stay on, which it will. And then, yeah, so we got everything here nice and high up. The only thing I'm going to do here, before I get too far with this, is I think I'm going to add, I got to figure out how to do this since it's all put together. I want to get the scabbard for the log ox. It's right here. I want to get this put on there. Alright, so I got the log ox holder off, and we're going to get that put on here. And looks like to get that done, what we're going to have to do is pull this through. Just do it that way. There we go. So we'll just take these pieces apart, and then first aid kit. Let's see where we want to put this. We gotta have enough room for the log ox holder. I think we can do both. So let's put actually, I think we can do is put this on here. So, there. And then put the log ox holder right there. And then through again. And then let's get this back on. Followed by all right. All right, let's try this again. There we go. Got that. There. All right. We got this little there we go, got that right. Got that right. Chest strap. I don't know if I like that so much. We got that. We got the log ox holder. Wedge holder. Let's throw some wedges in it. There. Got a pack full of wedges. Now the real test. So this is my Fiskars. It's what I use for a wedge banger. It's a small 23-inch axe, and so the idea not sure which way it's supposed to go. That way? Alright, we got that. And then the log ox fits on there. I will say that once you put the log ox on there, that's a lot of weight. That's a lot of weight. You know, the axe, the wedges, not so much. First aid kit ain't gonna be no big deal, but she's a heavy duty tool, the log ox. So, but it's not gonna drag my pants down. Weights on my shoulders. You know, that's weights on the shoulders, not so much on the hips. I still can bend down. Life is good. All right. One thing missing is my logger's tape. I'm gonna get that here just in a minute. All right, guys. So there we have it. Got the wedge pouch full. Got a scrunch. We got the log ox hanging there. Got that. We got the wedge banger back there. And got the logger's tape hung. So, I know it seems like a lot, but it is. I mean, well, there's a lot of stuff there, but you know, when you're out in the woods, it's easier just to hang stuff off of you and take it out there than it is to pack out. Sometimes you can't drive up with the side-by-side, the tractor or something like that. You gotta haul it all in, including a chainsaw. You know, so that way this stuff's, you know, if it's hanging on you, it's there, it's ready to go, and you're ready to work. So this should definitely be an improvement. I have to still do some further adjusting, just a tiny bit, but just to where we get comfortable. I still may swap this out for the belt portion, for at least the suspenders for the leather version. You know, with the padding, that's kind of nice. But yeah. We're ready to go in the woods. Well, that was kind of a short unboxing video. Yep. So if you're looking, you know, if you're looking for a belt setup like this, it's Weaver Arborist, made by Weaver Leather, and you know, you can find them on Amazon. I think you can go right to their website, get them too. Yeah, just an awesome setup here, and definitely an improvement. So hope you like what you saw, guys. If you did, please like and subscribe. Feel free to share. And until next time, everyone, from all of us here at the beautiful Beavertown compound, Beavertown Outdoors, take care of each other, be good, stay safe, and I'm out.